Hi everyone. Today I, Kaustaf Paul, Jayesh Chaudhary and Sachin Kangre, we are going to present on the topic linear regression. So what is linear regression? It is a statistical method used to model the relationship between two continuous variables. The goal is to find the best fit the data points on a scatter plot. The equation for linear regression model is typically written as y equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x plus epsilon. The equation is based on the principle of minimizing the difference between the predicted values and the actual values. Linear regression is widely used in many fields, including economics, engineering, and social sciences. What is the importance of linear regression? To understand the relationship between two variables, to predict the future outcomes, to identify the outliers and influential data points, to evaluate the significance of the relationship, and finally, to compare the effect of multiple predictor variables. What are the types of linear regression? There are mainly two types of linear regression: simple linear regression and multiple linear regression.
Hi, I am Jesh. I am going to explain about simple linear regression. Simple linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between the single predictor variable x and a single response variable y using linear equation. The equation takes the form of y equal to a plus bx, where y is the response variable, x is a predictor variable, a is the y-intercept, and b is the slope of the line. Here, the example of simple linear regression. Example of simple linear regression. The example involve relationship between students' high school GPA and their college entrance exam score. Simple linear regression is used to model the relationship using the data on 100 student GPAs and exam score. The high school GPA is a predictor variable and the exam score is a response variable. The resulting equation can predict the exam score of student based on their high school GPA. The equation can also determine the significance of the relationship between high school GPA and college entrance exam score. This information can be used to identify factors that contribute to student success in college and develop intervention to improve their student outcome. Here, application in simple linear regression. Predicting sales, economic forecasting, medical research, environmental science, and sport analysis. In predicting sales, simple linear regression can be used to analyze the relationship between advertising spending and sales to predict future sales based on advertising spending. And in sports analytics, simple linear regression can be used to analyze the relationship between a team's win percentage and various factors such as player statistics or coaching strategies. Similarly, simple linear regression can be used in other fields.
Hi, I am Sachin. I will explain about multiple linear regression. So, multiple linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a single response variable and multiple predictor variable. Using linear equation, the, the equation takes form the y equal to a plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus bp xp. So, where y is the response variable, x2 xp are the predictor variable, y-intercept and b1 to bpp are the slopes of the lines and corresponding to each predictor variable. Here are example of multiple linear regression. A marketing company want to predict the sales of a product based on multiple variables such as advertising spend and price and product features. So along with there are some three examples are there. So application in multiple linear regression, there are five multiple linear regression applications are there: marketing research, financial analysis, medical research, real estate analysis, quality control. So the finally conclusion is linear regression is a simple yet powerful statistical method for predicting the relationship between two continuous variables by finding the lines of best fit. So linear regression is used to many fields including finance, economics, social science, and engineering. That's